Let's learn how you can create this Dear 2024 Thank You for Memories trend using only CapCut and TikTok applications. First, let us start by opening TikTok application. Once you're here, click on search and type in Dear 2024 Thank You for Memories. Now you can find whatever video suits you the best. To choose this, just click on CapCut, try this template. And as you can see, it will open CapCut. Just click on use template in CapCut, red button. Once again, you will have to click on use template, blue button. And here you will have to select 31 photos or videos you want to set on your trend. I will choose some random video just to show you how you can create this. After you finished, just click on next. When you're finished editing, just click on export and choose where do you want to export your video. You can also choose quality of the video. And if you want to share it on TikTok, you can select second option. If you want to save on device, select first option. So this is it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.